here is what I've been up to. Since around the world we are all staying indoors for the most part, unless we absolutely have to go outdoors. Some places everyone are locked up indoors. So today I am grilling. This is lamb meat with corn and plantains, grilling on charcoal. So yeah, this is just a quick update. The lamb meat was seasoned, marinated in a little bit of sesame oil, bouillon, a little bit of pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. So some of it, like half the meat or lamb meat, I seasoned with soya spice, and then the other half I seasoned with the spices I just listed. So yeah, so this is just a quick grill day. The weather is favorable today. It's nice and sunny. So finally, yay! Finally, we get to have some warm weather. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. This was just a quick update of Sunday grilling. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.